Hello, and welcome to the MCA Mastery Book channel. My name is Brian, owner and CEO of Regal Business Group, and author of the MCA Mastery Book, a comprehensive guide that takes you step by step through the process of creating a business lending brokerage. As a business broker, we find small business owners in need of business capital and connect them with a group of investors that we're partnered with who will deploy the funding they're seeking in a relatively short period of time with minimal qualifications. The MCA Mastery Book will take you through the steps of creating this recession-proof business, one that will allow you to be free of location, get paid frequently, and enable you to make 5 figures a month, which will eventually become a passive income stream. You'll just be waiting around for a message notification. Not only that, but we are solving a huge problem for small business owners all over the country. In these moments of economic turmoil, business owners need funding more than ever before. We are injecting life into the very foundation of our economy. With very little startup capital to get up and running, we can have you making profits within 30 days. It's possible to do it in half that time, but you must be diligent and you must follow the guide. It is possible to make $50, $60, and even $70,000 a month with the formula that is available in the MCA Mastery Book. But in order to get started, you've got to take a leap of faith and join us on the journey to financial freedom as a business lending broker. There are two versions of the book, the basic version, which is $100, and the deluxe version, which is $200. No matter which one you choose, you have all the tools to prosper in the industry. You get access to the Facebook community and a group of like-minded and supportive entrepreneurs. I will be here every step of the way for anything you need. You can purchase the book with the link below, or you can go to our Facebook page or our Gumroad page. All links are accessible through the website. Follow us on all social media at The Regal B Group and at MCA Mastery Book. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the other side.